Opportunity versus obstacle. Today, we explore why some people see obstacles in every situation, while others see opportunity. Subscribe so you don't miss powerful insights like this. The inner world. The same situation, the same problem, but two completely different outcomes. Why? Because people don't see the outside world, they see their inner world. One sees a wall, another sees a door. The real question is, what have you trained yourself to see? Mental filters. We don't see reality as it is, we see it as we believe it to be. If deep inside you believe that everything is difficult, then every situation will feel difficult. But if you believe there is always an opportunity, your mind will start searching for it. So the problem is not out there, it's inside. The nature of fear. An obstacle is often not real. It is a creation of fear. Fear of rejection, fear of failure, fear of the unknown. These fears may feel like they are protecting you, but in reality, they are holding you back. How the brain works. The brain is designed to save energy. That's why it prefers familiar patterns. If you are used to seeing problems, your brain will automatically find obstacles. But if you consciously start looking for opportunities, over time, it becomes your new habit. The illusion of control. Most people want to control life, but the truth is, you cannot control everything. However, there is one thing you can always control: your perspective. Even if you cannot change the situation, you can change how you see it, and that changes everything. The point of responsibility. An obstacle mindset blames. It blames circumstances, people, and the past. An opportunity mindset does something different. It takes responsibility. What can I do in this situation? That single question can change your entire life. Pain and growth. No one wants difficulty, but every kind of growth comes through discomfort. If you see pain as an obstacle, you will avoid growth. If you see it as an opportunity, you will transform. Inner dialogue. Throughout the day, you are talking to yourself, and that conversation shapes your life. What if I fail? What if I succeed? Just one question changes, and your direction changes with it. The power of choice. Every day, you make small choices: to ignore or to look deeper, to fear or to act, to see obstacles or to see opportunities. These choices may seem small, but over time, they shape your destiny. Conclusion: a conscious decision. Life may not change overnight. Situations may remain difficult, but you can choose how you see them, and that choice will define your future. Make a decision today. I will not see obstacles. I will see opportunities.